Hello, Jabba. Hi, Pico. How are you? Why's everybody pushing on me? Do not help yourself. Hi, Jabba. Hey, Padme. Padme. Hi, Pico. Padme. Here. Woohoo. Hi. Hi. Hi, friends. Look, Cheerios. Jabba. Jabba. Do you want... Listen, pigs only get hand-fed really long stuff because you're blind. Here you go. Oh, woo. Wait. Woohoo. Hi, goat friends. Farm fairy. Piglets. Sit. Roll over. Lay dead. Do you want this? Do you want that? There you go. Where's Jenny? Jenny! Jenny! Oh, hey, goat friend. Yoo-hoo! Big goat, do you like broccoli? I mean, Brussels sprouts. Can you not step on my toe? Hi, Tundra. Hi, lady goats. Here, look. There. Hi, where are the cows? They're not in their usual nosy corner. Hi, big goat. I missed you too. You're so fluffy. Listen. I would like no one to step on my feet, please. Thank you. Thank you. Woo! Whoa. Sorry, didn't mean to scare you. You stuck? Come get unstuck. Get out of my bucket. Hey, watch my knee. I have a boo-boo. Hi, come here. I see you in my bucket. Get out of my bucket. Here, take it from my hand instead. Take it from my hand instead. Listen. Baby pigs. Do you like to Brussels sprout? You do? Be nice. Do you like to Brussels sprout? You did it! Yeah, you like the everything. Gotcha. Ooh. Do pigs like lemons? Here, try that. They do like lemons. You didn't even make a face. Here, try another lemon. Be nice to the babies. Here, big goat. Yeah. Okay, listen. How about that? Come here, baby pig. Don't. Where are my cows? Does anybody know where my cows are? Jenny, where are you? Jenny! Come here. Big goat, you're so big. You're so big, and now you have green stuff on your forehead. Don't be mean to the... Hey, you big mean Tink the Tank. Ugh. If you could not... Here, let's watch a pig. You walked right over it. Ooh, I wonder if goats like lemons. Come here, big goat. Be my tester. Here, try this. Do you like it? Do you like everything? Do you like everything? Here, Brussels sprout. Yum, yum. Hi, friends. Chomp, chomp. Be nice. Hi. Get out of my bucket. Where is Ginny? I got a cup for you. Lady goat. Lady goat. Okay, big goat. You're my favorite goat. You're my favorite goat. Where's the... You're not a baby pig. Be nice. Come here, baby pig. Ba ba ba. Don't push her. Or him. Here you go, big goat. Yeah, good job. Here you go, lady goat. Good job. Get out of my bucket. Keep your head out of my bucket. Baby pigs. Tundra. Keep your head out of my bucket. You don't like the Brussels sprouts so much? How about a carrot? Big goat. Hey, big goat. Try the carrot. How's that? Is that yummy? Tundra. Tundra. Somebody. Hey. Come here. Lady goats. You didn't even eat it. Do you like carrots? You like everything, Tink. Okay. Let's feed you more lemon. You don't even wince. You like that? You like a little citrus in your... Hey, mean heads. All right, come here, babies. Babies! I'm gonna sprinkle it all around so they can't be mean to you. Hi! You want another carrot? Oh, boop, boop, boop. I would have given it to Ginny, but she snoozes, she loses. There you go. Come here. Come here. Tundra. Okay, don't. Let's try this. Woo, sorry, my bad. Okay, so pigs like them in one foul swoop. Carrots for a pig. You have a dirty, dirty mouth. Come here, Jabba. 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 Hey, look, smell this. Aha. Blind. Do you want a carrot? Don't eat my fingers. Okay. Whoops. Be nice, Tink. Those aren't even your babies. Here you go, goats. Hi. How we doing? John said broccoli? Yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. John said broccoli. Broccoli, broccoli. Oh, big goat. You want the rest of the apple core? Yes, you do. Okay. Who wants some lemon? Get the lemon. Oh, you have a Brussels sprout. Brussels sprouts are good with lemon. Woo-hoo-hoo. Tink, you're so mean. big meanie head. Hi, Piku. You want the broccoli? Hi, Java. Oh, it worked. Okay, listen. Everybody go over there. Oh, not you. You're not everybody. You're my friend. You don't like broccoli? Baby pigs. Watch out for Tink. She's a mean one. Well, really, she's just greedy. Hello. Can I help you? Hi, Jabba. Ready? Dropped it to one of these. All right. Baby pigs. Oh, Padme, you're looking so thin. Come here, Pickle. Hey, Jabba, be nice. Jabba, come here, Pickle. Oh, you want my bucket? Do you want my bucket? That's for you, my favorite goat. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, no. Get off my foot, Padme. Hey, no. Don't take my bucket. Don't bring my bucket. That's rude. All right. That's it. Come on. There we go. That's it. That's all there was. That's everything. Okay. I love you. Have a fun night. That's it. Oh, come here. You get the last little bit. That's all there is, man.